Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut, and you also need Video Star for this. So go ahead and download that and open a black stock video on CapCut. Select text, and add in the text you want. And I'm just going to change the font to that. Export it. Let's go ahead to Video Star and select the plus button to add the video. Edit video, select make video. And then you're going to select add. You're going to select new and then select re-effect. Go and select the plus button here and select the search button. Find Turbulence 3 and add it, and here you can adjust adjust the turbulence as you'd like it to be, like so. Go back and select re-effect, and then once you're done, you're going to select the X on the top right corner, share, and send to camera roll. Go back to CapCut and open up that video. You can change the format if you'd like. I'm just going to show you like this so it's easier. Go to overlay and select the black stock videos again. And I'm just going to adjust it to cover the first text, like so. Select it, go to animation, out, and choose fade out. Go back and copy it. Bring it down here and adjust it longer than the first sort of stock video, and add it on top of the second text, like so. And this is what it'll look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!